So guys, if your YouTube video also looks like it is sliding or lagging like this, here is what is actually happening. You are basically seeing a frame per second drop. Normally, videos play at 20, 30, even 60 frames per second, meaning dozens of images flash every second to make the video look smooth. But here it is showing almost 1 frame per second and you can count it. So everything looks jumpy. It is rare, but yes, it does happen sometimes. And don't worry, there is a quick fix you can try for this. First, open your browser and go to Settings. On the left side, click System and disable Hardware Acceleration option. Relaunch your browser and check if the issue is fixed. If turning it off doesn't help, try turning it on again and restart your browser and check it again. The second option is to install this extension on your Chrome or Edge browser. This small extension forces YouTube to use H.264 video format instead of VP9 or AV1 video format, reducing CPU-GPU load and preventing stutter, high usage and overheating on weaker device. It makes YouTube video run smoothly by using a GPU-friendly format. That's it. Stay safe.